on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Right now we are going to a car meet that I decided to throw last minute, a last minute pop-up meet. There was a lot of car meets that's supposed to be going down this weekend, but they all canceled due to the weather. It's been raining like crazy, guys, and I was like, you know what, why don't we just throw like a last minute pop-up meet, like an M meet, invite only, private, so it doesn't get burnt out, and just make it like all M owners. So we just got here and we're gonna go up to the rooftop and see how many cars are pulling up. I had like over 40 DMs asking about this location. Nick is on his way. We got Nikon behind us, Chris, Aries. We got like a bunch of cars coming tonight, so it's gonna be pretty dope. Hopefully it doesn't get burnt out. Because the parking structure where we're going, like they always host car meets here, but that's why I made it kind of like private, just so it doesn't get burnt out. And I put no revving and stuff like that, but you know, there's always gonna be that one person doing it. So hopefully it's a good turnout. We just got here and I can already see a couple of M cars. But as you can see, look, we got G80s right there. And then we got more cars up here. I'm just thinking, where should we throw this though? Where should we park? All right, guys, we made it. I think we're gonna be moving downstairs because it is cold. It's not raining, but it is cold. And there's a lot of good M cars out right now. You can see F80s, E46s, G80s, E92s, E92 M3, and G80 M3. Starting off, we have this beautiful Sao Paulo yellow G82. And then we got the homie Ben with his G82. Look at the headlights. Purple on that. And then as you pull up over here, got a bunch of BMWs pulling up. Super clean M4. Look at that, on the sketchiest tire in this weather. That's crazy. We got an M6 Secure Orange. You did not see this. It's a pretty rare color to find on the M6. We got an M4 F90 M5. That's clean. F80 M3 Silverstone. It's nice too. E46 M3. F80 M3 Secure Orange with the lap door lip. That's pretty clean. Competition. Very, very nice. Got the Ola Saltails. Clean color on the E46. It's like a greenish from an Ozatec. On the TEs. That shit clean. F82 M4 Yas Marina Blue. That's clean.
Why did you say that, bro?
F80 M3 with all the yellow accents. We got Nikon. We got me. David. You're so fake.
Why? This is your car meet.
This is yours.
No, it's not.
This is your car's on there.
Bro, I literally woke up.
What's up, Joe?
Hi.
I woke up and this dude had my car on the flyer.
It's
hey, yo, bro. Get off my girl, G. Why you put my car on the flyer?
Because it's
anyone else's car.
It's
not my me.
Nick pulled up. The little rainbow lights going on. We got one Benz pulled up on us. E90 M3. That's clean. You got the M4 wheels on there. Listen to this thing on idle though. Oh my gosh. This thing sounds crazy on idle. We got the homie Slims F82 M4. Super clean. He just recently added some carbon on there. That should look nice though. M4 on the HREs with the carbon fenders. See, this looks good because the car's black. It blends in. Chris?
Sweater?
What's up, G? The homie Chris pulled up. Damn. I want to do my headlights like that, amber. Later, bro. I should clean, bro. Bro, these cars sound so freaking good.
Good?
Nice hoodie, G.
Supreme, bro.
Rich. Imagine doing cop calls in this thing, Chris. Imagine doing cop calls.
Police car, literally.
Thumbnails, G, get in the back.
Put your hands fucking up, bitch. Get in the fucking back seat, motherfucker. Get in, bitch.
David.
Under arrest, motherfucker.
David. They arrested Nick, G.
Take him to jail. Let's book this out. Alright, you're going to Los Angeles.
God, bro.
Look at this fucking guy. Get out of there, bro.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Get out of the car, bro.
What's wrong with you?
Get out of there. Why are you pushing buttons?
I don't know shit.
Sorry, guys. This guy is
What is that?
The train horn.
I saw What the fuck, bro? I'm like, we're in the middle of LA. There's no fucking train.
train horn, bro.
What's wrong with What the fuck?
Dude, I can only imagine this.
I know, that's what
Holding the bag.
bro, that's what I'm saying.
Guys, what does the footage look like? Did he jump? Did you guys see? Bro, because why? You ever see a cop walk up and touch the taillight when he pulls somebody over?
Yeah.
You know why they do that? Because if you get close enough and you wave at it, watch this secret. Ready?
Chris.
Whoa! What the fuck? See?
Wait, how'd you do it?
This guy waving his hand over him like it really does something. This guy.
Bro, there's no way you're driving this.
You just gotta.
Kevin, go in. It's fucking pouring, bro.
Hey guys,
Smoker.
hey guys, look.
don't
That's
like
how you
Kevin.
guys.
This is
know-
Nick's meat.
Hey,
This is not my
Everybody
if
say
anybody
Nick's meat.
watches
Oh,
from a
shit,
different
almost
state, this is how you know you're from California without saying you're from California. Look at guys, it's pouring right now.
I know, it's not even raining.
Smoker. Smoked out, G.
Train horn. So it's not like an eBay special that, you know, little chrome Chinese horns. Like from China. It's not from this is the real thing. This is made here. It's the one on real trains.
Look at that. No, but show him the part. Show him the part.
The part. Show
slide
them the
out.
part. Show them the part.
Show him that part.
What
So
is this?
You got the 5-gallon tank. You got the air compressor. I could be putting air into the tires. No problem. Whack! And then, yeah. So what else I got up
Yo,
here?
what the fuck is all this shit?
Look at the safe in there.
Pull it out. Look at it. Look. Oh,
Back in the future, bro.
Shit.
You got your power inverter here.
Is it yours?
Look at a PlayStation, little TV action. Got the
It
safe
literally
going
looks
on.
like some Back in the Future shit right here.
Hey, is there money in here?
I know the code.
Yeah, you gotta put the code in and then it opens.
What's the code, G?
I know the code. I seen you put it before.
Yeah, it's 420 69 69. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna activate. Stay back here.
Hey, blow the train horn in Ariz's face.
Well, have Aaron.
Bro, hey, David.
Aaron's looking
Hey,
at the highlighters.
bro, yeah. It'll be so funny.
Hit him with the spotlight. Hit him with the spotlight. Hit him with the spotlight.
No way.
This is the police.
Bro, honestly, if we had one of these, that'd be so fun, bro.
Look at Ariz. He got scared.
He got scared of it.
Stop, you motherfucker.
Eiselman Green G80 pulled up. Laser headlights. Sheesh. Coatings, G, coatings.
It's not mine.
It's going off when I open the door.
They're fucking.
We're all setting our alarms off. Why does Ayers have the top down in this weather? You're smoked out, G. Bro.
Michelin tires are expensive.
This one sounds crazy. Sounds insane. No way, exhaust.
much horsepower, bro?
Probably like 8 to the wheel.
Bro, you should race me.
Yeah, Bill Carter.
I know.
I'm stock motor.
With 800?
This is stock motor.
No way.
That's crazy, huh?
No way.
That's crazy, huh?
Wait, you have single turbo, no?
Single turbo.
Sick.
Guys, Ayers is crazy. It's raining and he has to top down. He's about that vert life. He's crazy, bro. I don't know how he's doing that with the top down. As you can see, Nick is right there too. Bro, how's Ayers with the top down right now?